If you've started shopping for fiberglass travel trailers, you've probably noticed something pretty quickly. There are a lot more choices than ever before. From lightweight entry-level campers like Scamp and Casita to premium four-season trailers like Bigfoot and Oliver, every manufacturer takes a slightly different approach to design, construction, and camping style. In this video, we're going to compare the major fiberglass manufacturers, look at their current lineups, discuss the trade-offs that come with each brand, and hopefully help you narrow down which trailer might fit your style of camping. This isn't about finding the best fiberglass trailer, it's about finding the right fiberglass trailer for you. We'll start with Scamp, one of the original names in molded fiberglass trailers. Built in Minnesota since the early 1970s, Scamp built its reputation on lightweight, simple, affordable camping. Even today, the company remains one of the easiest entry points into fiberglass ownership and continues to attract buyers looking for simplicity and low towing weights. The current lineup centers around the iconic 13-foot trailer, the larger 16-foot model, and the unique 19-foot fifth wheel. The 13-footer remains the heart of the company and is small enough to be towed by many mid-size SUVs and crossovers. Scamp is best for first-time RV owners, solo travelers, and couples who prioritize lightweight towing and affordability over interior space. If your tow vehicle is a mid-size SUV or crossover, Scamp immediately becomes one of the most attractive options on the market. The trade-off with Scamp is space. You gain low weight and low cost, but give up storage, interior room, and some of the premium features found in larger fiberglass competitors. For many owners, though, that simplicity is exactly the appeal. Casita takes a similar philosophy, but adds more refinement and comfort. Built in Texas since 1983, Casita has developed one of the strongest reputations in the fiberglass world and has built an incredibly loyal owner community. Their trailers have earned a reputation for durability, resale value, and long-term ownership. The lineup revolves around the familiar 17-foot platform offered in several floor plans, including the Spirit, Liberty, Independence, and Heritage. Casita has also expanded into the larger Discovery series, bringing more interior room to the brand. The Discovery is also a four-season camper, which is new to the Casita lineup. Casita is best for solo campers or couples looking for a durable, proven fiberglass trailer that remains easy to tow and simple to own. For many buyers, Casita represents the sweet spot between affordability, comfort, and long-term ownership. The biggest trade-off involves living space. The narrow body width, compact storage, and frequent use of convertible beds require compromises compared to larger trailers. But for many, Casita strikes an excellent balance between size, quality, and towability. Escape represents the next step up in size and customization. Manufactured in British Columbia, Escape has become known for offering one of the largest selections of floor plans and factory options in the fiberglass industry. If customization matters to you, Escape deserves serious consideration. The lineup stretches from compact single-axle trailers all the way up to spacious tandem-axle models that begin to rival conventional travel trailers. Few manufacturers offer as much flexibility in floor plans and options. Escape is best for buyers who want more room and more customization without jumping all the way into luxury pricing. If you've looked at Casita or Scamp and thought you wanted just a little more space, Escape often ends up being on the short list. The additional space and customization do come at a cost. Weights increase, prices climb, and custom orders often involve longer wait times. Still, Escape occupies a very attractive middle ground between lightweight fiberglass trailers and premium luxury models. Happier Camper may be the most unique manufacturer in the fiberglass world. Their retro styling and modular interiors create a very different ownership experience than traditional RVs. The company focuses heavily on flexibility and adaptability rather than fixed layouts. The lineup currently includes the compact HC1 and the upcoming HC2 platform. Each model uses the company's adaptive modular system that allows owners to completely rearrange the interior space. Happier Camper is best for minimalist travelers, weekend adventurers, and buyers who value flexibility above all else. The modular interior system creates a camping experience that feels very different from the traditional RV. That flexibility comes with compromises. Converting between sleeping, dining, and hauling modes requires moving modules and cushions around the trailer. Storage is limited, insulation is more suited to 3-season camping, and organization on long trips can become challenging. Cortes Campers is one of the newest names in the fiberglass trailer market, but they take inspiration from the marine industry rather than the traditional RV world. Based in Ohio, Cortes builds 17-foot travel trailers using marine-grade materials and a double-hull fiberglass construction designed to eliminate wood and resist water damage. Their trailers are lightweight for their size, easy to tow, and built with an emphasis on durability and 4-season capability. The result is a camper that feels more like a high-end boat than a traditional travel trailer. Unlike some manufacturers that offer multiple floor plans and sizes, Cortes keeps things simple. The current lineup centers around a single 17-foot double-hull molded fiberglass travel trailer with several option packages and equipment levels available. This focused approach allows Cortes to refine and improve one platform rather than spending resources across multiple models. Cortes campers are best for buyers who want marine-grade durability, true wood-free construction, and a lightweight trailer that can handle a wide variety of climates and travel conditions. They appeal to owners who value longevity, corrosion resistance, and easy towing over customization or residential-style interiors. If your dream trailer is something closer to a yacht cabin than a traditional RV, Cortes may be exactly what you're looking for. While Cortes campers offer exceptional durability, the unique construction creates several important trade-offs. First, interior customization is extremely limited. Much of the furniture and cabinetry structure is molded directly into the fiberglass shell, making future remodeling or layout changes very difficult. Second, the interior aesthetic feels more like a modern boat cabin than a traditional camper. Some owners love the clean, marine-inspired design, while others may find it less warm and inviting than wood cabinetry and residential finishes. Third, while Cortes trailers are lightweight for their size, they still command a premium pricing compared to entry-level fiberglass brands. Finally, because Cortes is a newer manufacturer, long-term company stability, dealer support, and warranty service remains concerns that buyers should evaluate carefully before making a purchase. Bigfoot moves firmly into premium 4-season territory. Built in British Columbia, these trailers are designed for harsh weather, long trips, and decades of ownership. The focus shifts from lightweight towing to capability and durability. Today, Bigfoot's lineup centers around the 2500 series, their premium 4-season platform designed for extended travel and harsh weather conditions. Available in multiple floor plans ranging from compact rear bath models to larger twin bed configurations, the 21-foot twin bed model has become one of the most sought-after layouts in the fiberglass market. The focus of the 2500 series isn't lightweight towing, it's comfort, durability, and true 4-season capability. Bigfoot is best for travelers who camp in colder climates, spend long periods on the road, or want a trailer capable of handling nearly any weather condition. If 4-season capability sits at the top of your priority list, Bigfoot deserves serious attention. The downside to all that capability is weight. Bigfoot trailers are among the heaviest molded fiberglass trailers available and require capable tow vehicles. Prices also move well into the premium territory. Oliver occupies the luxury end of the fiberglass market. Built in Tennessee, Oliver trailers combine premium materials with some of the most impressive fit and finish available in the RV industry. Everything about these trailers feels engineered rather than assembled. The Legacy Elite, Legacy Elite 2, and new Apex platform make up the core of the lineup. Twin bed layouts and off-grid capability remain major selling points. Oliver is best for buyers looking for premium materials, luxury fit and finish, and exceptional off-grid capability. These are trailers designed for owners planning to keep them for a very long time. The biggest trade-off is price. Fully equipped Oliver trailers can easily push into six-figure territory. The premium experience is undeniable, but so is the premium price tag. And perhaps the biggest consideration for some buyers is the bathroom design. Every Oliver model uses a wet bath, meaning the shower and toilet share the same space. Some owners appreciate the efficiency and simplicity, while others strongly prefer a separate dry bath layout. Awaken RV is one of the newest names in fiberglass trailers, but may also be one of the most interesting. Built in Ohio, the company focuses on premium materials, modern technology, and off-grid capability. They've entered the market with some ambitious ideas. The lineup currently includes the Morningstar and the off-road focused Morningstar I. Both models target buyers looking for premium fiberglass construction and serious off-grid performance. Awaken is best for buyers who want modern technology, premium materials, and serious off-grid capability in a fiberglass platform. The off-road focused Morningstar I, in particular, will appeal to public land campers and adventure travelers. Like many premium fiberglass trailers, cost and weight are the biggest trade-offs. Their limited dealer network and newer company status may also give some buyers pause. That said, Awaken is definitely a company worth watching. Pricing across the fiberglass market varies dramatically. Scamp and Casita occupy the entry-level segment. Escape and Happier Camper move into the middle of the market. Bigfoot, Oliver, Cortes, and Awaken sit firmly in the premium territory. As prices increase, buyers are generally paying for better insulation, more features, higher-end materials, and greater comfort. That said, each manufacturer takes a different approach to premium construction. Bigfoot focuses on four-season capability, Oliver emphasizes luxury and craftsmanship, Cortes brings marine-grade durability and wood-free construction, and Awaken targets modern design and high-end features. One of the best things about today's fiberglass market is that there really isn't a bad choice. Each manufacturer has a different philosophy and a different idea of what camping should look like. Whether your priorities are lightweight towing, flexibility, luxury, or four-season capability, there's probably a fiberglass trailer built specifically for your style of travel. Hopefully this comparison helped narrow down the options and made the decision a little easier. Thanks for watching High Desert Camping Adventures, and I'll see you in the next one.